Hey guys! A warm welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a desktop NAS that thinks it's an enterprise server, the Synology DiskStation DS1621xs Plus. And yes, the product is linked right in the description if you want to check specs and current pricing while you watch. So what makes the DS1621xs Plus special? Well, it's one of the few desktop NAS units from Synology packing an Intel Xeon processor, specifically the D-1527. A quad-core chip running at 2.2 GHz with turbo up to 2.7 GHz. This is server-grade silicon with AES-NI encryption acceleration, designed for heavy workloads, encryption, and virtualization. Coupled with 32 gigs of DDR4 ECC RAM, upgradable to 64 GB, this NAS means business. Storage-wise, you get 6 hot-swappable drive bays supporting up to 108 TB raw capacity. But the real headline is the included 1 TB M.2 NVMe SSD and a second empty M.2 slot, giving you serious caching potential. You can set up read/write caching to accelerate random I/O, or dedicate one SSD as a fast storage pool for active projects while using the other for cache. This is a game changer for video editors working with large 4K timelines. Networking is also a highlight. You get one built-in 10 gigabit Ethernet port alongside two 1 GBE ports. That 10 GBE port delivers around 1,000 megabytes per second real-world throughput, which is perfect for multi-user editing or migrating massive datasets. You can aggregate the 1 GBE ports for failover, ensuring your network stays up even if a cable fails. Inside, there's a PCIe 3.0 x 8 slot for even more expansion. You can add a second 10 GBE card, a 25 GBE card, or more M.2 adapters. The DS1621xs Plus is also compatible with Synology High Availability. You can pair two units for active/passive failover, meaning zero downtime if one fails. On the software side, DSM is as polished as ever. You get Active Backup Suite for Windows, VMware and Hyper-V, Snapshot Replication for ransomware protection, Synology Drive for file syncing, and Virtual Machine Manager for running VMs directly on the NAS. There's also surveillance stations supporting up to 40 IP cameras. Now, is it perfect? It's expensive. This isn't a budget NAS. The Xeon and ECC RAM at cost. Also, M.2 SSDs don't support hot swap, so you'll need to power down if you want to swap them. But for creative professionals, IT pros, or anyone who needs enterprise-grade reliability in a desktop form factor, the DS1621xs Plus delivers. If you need a no-compromise desktop NAS for 4K video editing, virtualization, or business-critical storage, the Synology DS1621xs Plus is a top-tier choice. And remember, the exact model Synology DiskStation DS1621xs Plus with 32 GB RAM and 10 GBE is linked in the description below. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with us. If this review helped, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got more high-performance gear on the way. And as always, the product link is waiting for you right down in the description. See you in the next one.